and welcome to another TA Tech Tip. In this tech tip, we will demonstrate how to use rapid analysis features in NanoAnalyze, including automated baseline detection and peak picking to rapidly analyze DSC data. Add data to NanoAnalyze by clicking File, Open, or the Open icon on the main screen. Select the desired DSC data files and click Open. The analysis described here will work for both NanoDSC and RSDSC data files. Click the RapidDSC icon on the top panel to open a new RapidDSC analysis set. Add the desired files. Up to 96 calorimeter scans can be analyzed within the same set. Data can be analyzed automatically or through the guided rapid analysis wizard. To start the guided RapidDSC analysis wizard, press the wand icon. The wizard will guide the user through baseline construction, rapid peak detection, and T-onset detection for each data file. Click Next to continue. A subset of data can be analyzed by choosing only Analyze selected scans. To define analysis settings, move to the next page. First, select the number of peaks expected in the thermograms. Up to 5 peaks can be detected. In this example, we will search for 2 peaks. If the transition temperature is known, the analysis start and end temperatures can be defined to help refine the analysis. Deselect the automatic startup hook feature and add the start and end temperature. In this example, we will search between 50 and 100 degrees Celsius. Settings can be saved as preset in this page if desired. A new page for analysis will open for each scan in the dataset. To adjust the baseline in the raw data graph on the left, the blue bars in the pre- and post-transition regions can be widened or moved by dragging. The region for enthalpy integration along the bottom can be adjusted using the blue bar. A different region of the scan can be selected by adjusting the temperature range indicated by the white bar along the bottom. Once the baseline is satisfactory, click Accept Baseline. The software will use the accepted baseline to refine the peak transitions. The Tmax can be visualized on both the raw data graph on the left and the baseline subtracted data graph on the right. Peaks can be removed or added as desired using the icons above the raw data graph. Click Accept Tmax Values to continue. Finally, T-onset can be adjusted as needed using the blue nodes in the baseline subtracted graph on the right. T-onset is calculated using the pre-transition baseline and the slope of the thermogram to the first Tmax. Analysis parameters are shown in the table on the top right and are updated in the main table when the wizard is exited. Click Next to move to the next scan in the analysis. The wizard can be exited at any time, and the option to save the analysis is presented. Data can also be analyzed quickly outside of the wizard. First, indicate the desired parameters, including start and end temperature and number of transitions, and press the play button to analyze all scans, or the second play button to analyze selected scans. After baseline and Tmax detection, T-onset can be detected by clicking the T-onset button. Any data file can be viewed and edited by clicking on the graph thumbnail and moving through the same analysis steps as described in the guided RapidDSC wizard. The Tmax visualization, concentration, and overlay tabs are designed to aid in the analysis of large data sets. A Tmax visualization tab is propagated for each transition and displays the peak maximum for each scan. The data range can be adjusted by changing the min and max values, and the visualization graph can be zoomed by dragging the red bars in the data selection. The analysis range can be used to define a range of interest and to easily identify any outliers. For example, if you are looking for a candidate with a transition above 70 degrees, setting the minimum value in the analysis range to 70 will propagate any data files below that temperature into the analysis outliers table. In datasets where the sample concentration varies and the buffer remains constant, the concentration graph can be a useful visualization tool to understand the dependence of concentration on Tmax. The Overlay tab allows for quick visualization of the thermogram of all scans and allows for a variety of viewing modes. In this example, we will compare the scans by first applying the subtracted baseline from the automated detection, stacking the plots to separate the files, and zooming in on the graph by clicking and dragging across the desired region. To aid in reporting, any of these views can be exported to PDF, Excel, or as an image using the Export Data drop-down menu. The same options for data export are provided at the end of the guided RapidDSC analysis wizard. For additional descriptions of each RapidDSC feature, you can utilize the software guide found in the Help menu. In this tech tip, we learned how to analyze a data set in NanoAnalyze using the RapidDSC analysis features. Please stay tuned for other helpful tips from TA Instruments, and thank you for your interest.